Hello everyone, today I will show you how to scan a document in another language. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So there are several ways to do this, but I mainly use an app called Cam Scanner, as you can see in my screen right now. This is the main app that I use, but if you don't have the app yet, you need to go to App Store, have this app downloaded. Since I already have it, I just have to open the app up. So when you open the app, you will see like a camera button. Click on the camera button. So right now it is in a scan mode. If you want to scan the document in another language, you want to swipe right until you find translate. So basically when you scan the document, it will automatically translate the document to you in the scanned version. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.